Hey guys, and what's up CFS? It's your girl Fun Size back with another fun creation. And in today's video, my delivery has finally arrived. I'm actually trying on Kelly Rolland's new fitness line through Fabletics, and you guys are actually going to be around to see how it looks on me. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and leave me some feedback down below if you guys actually want to see some future videos after this one. Later
Yes,
for
they
now.
are.
Okay, see, I was gonna close the account, but the way my life's set up.
That's it.
Okay.
That looks really good. Okay. Jump with a hop. Jump and jack. Okay, run in place. Okay.
Love with Kelly Rolland Fabletics Line. Like, baby, are you seeing this? Like, talk about sucking you in. Okay, catch a breeze while you working out. I'm excited to work out in this. When I look this way, I got no butt.